So I wanted to start, this is probably the first few series of just some of the electrical things I've seen and my takeaways from it. I don't know, video, vlog or whatever. So this fine piece of equipment is a standby generator. It's in the town of Fairfax and it's supporting the town hall and fire station. So an essential facility. So what I see here is great. They have a generator. They have a large base tank here. I think this is probably 100 kilowatt, and I spoke to the technician who was servicing it a while back and he said it worked really well in the outage. So the other things I see are, I know this thing is really noisy when it runs during power outage, and I have some decibel readings. So the other thing I would take away is the air that discharges from here, that's going to hit up against the underside of the roof, so that may cause some overheating. The other thing, my big takeaway is you have a bund wall here, and if that's there in case there's any oil leakage, but it's outside and oil's heavier than rain, so if that fills up with water, the diesel's just going to run over the top. The other big thing I take away is this whole area got flooded, so I assume they raised it up out the floodplain by a couple of feet. But we're in a seismic zone, so I just see one embedment anchor here. I'm pretty sure in a major seismic event that would either come loose or fall over. So quick takeaway on generator design, and hope that is useful.